What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be installing something super cool for the Civic. We got a Mugen front lip. Woo! Alright, now, like most car parts, I didn't plan to buy this, but I just saw that ICB Motorsports had this in stock and I had to cop it. Because it was for a really good price. If you were to go on ningun.com or something, it's a good price as well, but shipping is like just as much as the part itself, if not more. So when I saw this on ICB Motorsports, I was like, yo, let me get that. Because we all know that the Civic doesn't really look complete without a front lip. So, man, I've been dying to put this on. I had this lip for maybe 3 weeks now, and I've just been putting in so much work on the Prelude that now I finally have time to show some love for the Civic. Oh yeah. Speaking of the Lude, let me give you guys a quick update on what's going on. Oh, so here's the side skirt. I sanded it down and primered it, and I decided to clear coat it because I was talking with Brad and he was telling me that it's better to go ahead and clear coat it. That way when you wrap it and take it off, you'll be good. Because if you just wrap over primer, you'll probably need like an adhesive promoter, and the primer might peel off when you keep readjusting the vinyl wrap or decide to take it off later on down the road. So here's the Lude. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I blew my tire the other day. And I also found out that there was a crack on the wheel, so I sent the wheel off to get it repaired. So it'll be ready tomorrow to put it back on the Lude. But that's pretty much what happens when you put off an alignment for too long. So we got the wheel getting worked on, side skirts getting worked on, and I just gotta wrap that mirror and the Lude will be ready. I'll probably fix up the front grille right here. See, there's a lot of rock chips and it has like white spots right there. Yeah, we'll try to get the Lude ready for this weekend, because this weekend I'm gonna be co-hosting a meet with at Prelude community, and whether it's big or small, I think it's gonna be a nice turnout, so I'm looking forward to that. But anyways, let's get back to the front lip. Woohoo! This is one thing I really like about the Civic. There's still a lot of parts that you could get for the Civic right now, whereas on the Prelude a lot of stuff is used and hard to come by. So I love the Prelude, but man, there's just not that much aftermarket support for it right now, you know? But anyways, alright, let's go ahead and get this lip installed. Yeah. Surprisingly, this was shipped by FedEx and there was no damage on the lip. Good job, FedEx. Woo. What else? We got a random box. I think it's empty. Yeah, not a team on. I guess it was to support the lip, kind of. Oh well. And we got some instructions and hardware. Woo. Oh, and check this out. They also supply you with this little molding. That way the lip won't like rub up on the bumper and scratch it up and whatnot. Because there's also molding on the side skirt already. So you can see, helps protect it. And I guess fill any gaps. Yo, this thing must be super old, because I mean, because the HN Civic is like what, 2006 to 2011. It's now 2021, and so if anything, this thing is at least 10 years old. This thing's been sitting in the box for at least 10 years. Now that might sound pretty long, but I mean, just imagine parts for the Prelude. The Prelude is like a 20-year-old car, so you can imagine why it's hard to find brand new parts for the Prelude. Never mind, yeah, let's put this on the box. Oh yeah, feast your eyes, guys. This is a Mugen front lip for the Type R front bumper. Dang, look, this thing comes with some like a metal bracket right here to help hold it in place. It also comes pre-installed with double-sided tape. Just these side pieces right here. It has 4 mounting brackets on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 2 mounting holes right here on the side. Yeah. Oh, before we get started, we gotta see how much lower the front lip is gonna make the front bumper. All right, so we're at about 8 inches while on this ramp. How much do you think this front lip is gonna lower the front bumper by? Go ahead and pause the video real quick and comment down below how much you think the front lip is gonna lower the front end of the car. I'm gonna guess maybe an inch, hopefully more, but I'd say about an inch. I don't think it's gonna lower it too much. We'll see, but I hope it is a lot. Sealing the deal right here. Woo. Yo, this thing fits so perfectly and flush. Man, there's a tiny gap right here, but got a couple more double-sided tape pieces right here. Yee. Get this bad boy right through. Yo, this lip is gonna be on here. This thing is staying on. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yo, the Civic looks like it has a beard. Ooh, dang, this thing looks nasty. This thing is super sturdy. It's not going nowhere. There's so much double-sided tape on here on the top part, and it's held in by those bracket pieces. There's little, you know, bumper clips on the bottom. I haven't put the screws in yet because I'm gonna wrap this first and then I'll put the screws in because it's gonna be hard to wrap over some screws. So yeah. But y'all, let's take a moment to look at the Civic with the unpainted front Mugen lip, because we are gonna wrap this, but I do gotta run somewhere real quick and get something done. Luckily today is only gonna be 86 degrees, so it's still gonna be good weather to wrap the front lip. But yo, the lip is on, it's secured. What do you guys think? Give this video a huge thumbs up, a huge heart if you can. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this lip. This is a really popular front lip, and I really didn't want to get it because too many people had it. But honestly, I really like it myself. And for that reason, I was like, screw it, man. I'm gonna just get it because I like it. But yo, Civic looks nasty. And after installing this lip, I'm gonna tell you guys, this lip does not make the car any lower. Because the bottom of this lip is literally hugging on the bottom of the bumper. So I don't know, I guess maybe we got like a couple millimeter drop, but yo, it's all good. This is a really nice lip and I ain't trying to scrape it that much right now. We gotta get this thing wrapped first. But yo, I gotta run real quick and let's get this front lip wrapped. Hopefully I got enough material. Yeah, alright, be right back. Yo, my math was way off. Check this out. This is how much wrap I got. This is the longest piece I have, and this is like a square. So I'm gonna have to section this off. Man, that's crazy. I could probably work this to where I'll try to do an even cut in the middle and just do this section and that section, and then I'll do separate pieces on the side. Let's hope I do this right. Yo, wrapping this front lip was torture because at one point the sun started beaming straight into the garage and it was just beaming on me and I was just sweating like crazy, and it made the vinyl wrap really tacky, the adhesive, so it was really hard to work with. But we're finally done. Whew. And dang, I just gotta say, it's about time we lower the car some more. But we need some different wheels or low profile tires. But then, what do y'all think? I think it really makes the front end look complete. In my opinion, I really don't like those amber corner lights right there, man. There's too much colors going on. First you got the blue car, orange turn signals, and the red emblem, and I don't know, man. I might just want to get rid of these headlights. But yeah, the Civic finally has a front lip, and it looks a lot better. Woo. So I ended up doing this lip in 4 pieces. I got one piece right here. You can see that little line. The second piece is right there, and I made a cut right here. Third piece is that one, and the fourth piece right here. I also did a bunch under the lip, but you can't really see it, and it's just for I don't know, just to hide any bright gray spots. So I don't know, it's the little details that matter, you know. One thing I haven't done yet is put in those self-tapping screws right here, but I think we're good, man. There's so much double-sided tape on this. I'm gonna just do it another day because I haven't done an oil change on the Civic in a minute, so I guess I'll put those screws in whenever we do an oil change. Well, alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the install. I really liked how it turned out, but now I'm just motivated to go ahead and slam the Civic down to the ground. But alright, yo, see you on the next one. Yeah.